Click on the link below to get price. The Allwood Sommersby Garden House Kit is an impressive addition for those looking to enhance their outdoor space. With a generous area of 174 square feet, this kit offers a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it ideal for use as a garden shed, workshop, or even a cozy retreat. One of the standout features of the Sommersby is its robust construction. Made from high-quality Nordic spruce, the wood is not only sustainable but also naturally resistant to decay, ensuring longevity. The pre-cut components simplify assembly, making it accessible even for those without extensive DIY experience. The instructions are clear and well illustrated, guiding users through each step of the process. Most people can complete the assembly in a weekend, which is impressive considering the sturdiness of the final product. The design is another highlight. The Sommersby boasts large windows and double doors, allowing ample natural light to flood the interior. This feature not only makes the space feel larger but also creates an inviting atmosphere. The aesthetic appeal is enhanced by its classic cabin look, which blends well with various landscaping styles. Internally, the layout is versatile, providing enough space to accommodate furniture, gardening tools, or hobby equipment. The high ceiling also adds to the sense of space, making it a comfortable area to spend time in. Furthermore, the option to customize the interior makes it easy to tailor the structure to personal needs. However, potential buyers should be aware that additional insulation may be necessary if you plan to use the space year-round, especially in colder climates. While the wood has excellent thermal properties, a little extra effort could enhance comfort during the winter months. In conclusion, the Allwood Sommersby Garden House Kit is a well-crafted and attractive solution for those seeking additional outdoor space. Its durable materials, thoughtful design, and ease of assembly make it an excellent investment for any homeowner looking to extend their living space into the garden.